Happy wife, happy life.
You.
Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna beat you up. Boom, I'm beat you up. He's smiling. Yeah. Yeah. I was telling Taylor how you talked. It sounded like you said one or two words. I couldn't tell, but it was so cute. Wasn't you, baby? Coo coo coo. Coo coo boo boo. Cookie boo boo. Cookie boo boo doo doo boo. And he smiled. I love you, baby. You too. I gotta go work more. I work 10 hours a day.
Yeah, whatever.
Being a housewife is work, people.
House husband.
Yeah, that's why I'm a house husband. And I don't like it either.
Just leave it open.
Okay. Alright. I'll mow the front and then I'll...
Good afternoon guys. So yun, pauwi na ako and dito ako sa parking lot. Ako susundo sa Kambal ngayon kaya nagmamadali ako kasi I'm already late. May meeting kasi kami kaya huli akong lumabas. Si Kalbo kasi nagsisimula na siyang mag-mow kaya dumidiretso na siya sa kanyang mowing customer pagka-out niya sa work para mabilis siya matapos. So, ako na magsusundo sa Kambal. And it's 3:45. So yun guys, I'll see you later. We're home na. Ito lahat ng mga gamit namin. And Brayden wants to play with mommy. Nag-iinarte. Piniplay ko siya tawa ng tawa. Tapos nung lumabas ako para kunin yung mga gamit namin sa sasakyan, umiiyak. Buti pa si Kuya Doso, no? Bait-bait. Tinutsura ng Kambal. Puro milk yung bibig. Hi! Pero pinalitan sila ng damit kasi sabi niya nagluwa ng plema. So, she changed their outfits. And that's good though. So, I'm gonna show you guys their faces. Puno ng dry milk. Brayden? That's Brayden. Ayan, it's not too bad. Hi! See, gusto niya ng kalaro. Gusto niya ng kausap. Hi! And how about Kuya Dawson? Let me see your mouth. Dawson is malala. Look at the mouth. At least we know you guys are eating. Huh? So, Mommy, we're gonna, ano yung nalaglag? Mommy is going to fix the stuff, okay? I have to ask your babysitter, what time did you guys eat? The last time. Hi. So guys, nag-behave yung dalawa kasi gustong-gusto nila tong laruan dito, yung decorate. Oh, Dawson, inuubo pa rin. Tingnan mo si Brayden. Ang laki ng mata. Baby, we'll do something about it later, okay? Mommy will massage your... Oh, true. Mommy will massage your back and your chest. Okay? Si Brayden. Look at this, baby. You don't wanna play? Huh? Your nose? Okay, Mommy will suction your nose right now. We're gonna clean your nose. Yun guys, habang naaaliw pa yung dalawa doon sa kanilang laruan, I'm going to make bottles, kanilang gatas, para mamaya pag gutom na ay iinitin ko na lang. So, I'm going to also wash their bottles na ginamit nila sa kanilang babysitter. Ito lahat yun. Yan, kailangan kong hugasan kasi it takes 2 hours to wash it in the dishwasher. At sobrang init niyan sa loob. Kaya talagang nai-sterilize talaga sila. So, yan, hinihingal ako. Kalbo is mowing right now, and then after mowing, he's going to watch Ashley's game. So, I probably have to cook our dinner, and it's just spaghetti. Mabilis lang siyang lutuin. So, sana makipag-cooperate yung Kambal para magawa ko lahat na kailangan kong gawin kasi ako'y maglalaba pa. And one thing, I'm going to prank Kalbo. Kakaprank ko kay Kalbo, baka atakin sa puso. I'm going to tell him that the babysitter texted me and that she quit. Lokohin ko siya na nag-text sa akin yung babysitter nila kasi panay ang tanong niya sa akin. He is so worried today that they will be so fussy and crying and that she will text us to ask us to get them. So but actually the babysitter said that they did good the whole day, although nag-uubo and then nagsuka konti kasi yung mucus nilalabas nila, but she said she didn't have problem with them. So pero yung sabi ko kay Kalbo, iyak siya na ng iyak kasi nga ipaprank ko siya. So pagdating niya dito mamaya, sasabihin ko na nag-text sa akin at nag-resign na. He will be so worried because it means I have to stay home, and he is always worried about it kasi he is scared na he can afford to pay all the bills kapag siya lang yung may trabaho, kaya I have to keep my job. So yun, naging natin na I think it's Brayden. I'm going to put him here sa living room para, I think it's Dawson. Dinala ko sila dito sa kusina. Bless you, baby. Para hindi sila umiiyak habang ako'y naguhugas, babounce ko sila. Multitasking, ganun talaga pag nanay. Lahat na gagawa ng paraan. So ayan, hindi umiiyak kasi nakikita ako. So I'm going to wash your bottles, baby, okay? But I can bounce you like this. Tuwan-tuwa si Brady sa kanyang laruan. Ano na, baby, oh? Look, there's a monkey. Natapos ko na linisan ng lababo, tapos na rin ako hugas ng kanilang bote at gumawa ng kanilang gata. Sobrang dami pa rin ng ano ko dito, oh. Ang pangit. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Hindi pa rin siya natatanggal. Anyway, takpan ko na lang para hindi nyo makita. Ayan. Buti ngayon, nakakagawa na ako ng mga gawaing bahay nang hindi sila gaanong umiiyak. Kasi nanonood lang sila sa akin. Right, guys? You guys are good boys. Yes, mommy will play with you later, okay? So yun, now I'm going to try to take a shower. Dadaling ko sila sa bathroom. Before, nakita nyo naman yung vlog namin, diba? The first 2 months, sobrang iyakin sila. Halos wala kaming magawa ni Kalbo. Hirap na hirap kami. And kala namin wala nang katapusan. But now, they're actually doing good. What is it, Dawson? Nasa kalagitnaan ako ng pag-shower. Biglang umiyak yung dalawa. Talagang umiyak they're screaming kasi they don't see me. I didn't like it if they don't see me. And kailangan kong isara yung shower curtain kasi matatalsikan sila ng tubig. Lalo na si Dawson, napakalapit dito sa aming tub. Ayan, inaantok lang tong dalawang to. Ayan si Brady, no? Kaya umiiyak. Mas malakas yung iyak ni Brayden because he's tired. So, yun. Tinapos ko yung aking pag-shower pero madalian lang. Wala nang hilod-hilod. Ayan. Now, we're gonna go to the room so mommy can get dressed, okay? Good boy, Kuya Dawson. Tapos na po kaming dumede. They just eat. And now, mommy is going to clean us up. Ayan, guys. Akin silang papalitan ng diaper and damit. And akin lang silang pupunasan since meron pa silang ubo. Ayokong pinapaliguan. Hi, baby. I think someone pooped. I can smell. Hi, Dawson. Makatawa naman si Brayden. Laki-laki ng mga. Makatawa naman si Brayden eh. Bukang-buka yung bibig. Hi, babies. You guys are so precious. Mommy misses you. We're gonna have tummy time after, okay? Huh? Huh, baby? Yan, guys. Tapos na kami linis. Ang tagal namin natapos. Pagod na pagod si mommy pagkatapos. So, yan. I'm giving them tummy time but I think Dawson is tired. He doesn't like it. Aww. He doesn't like it kasi naantok na. Okay, mommy, we're gonna get you there out na. Okay. Ayan, may sumpong. Kasi naantok. Si Brady na lang ang aming pinadapa. He needs it because kasi nga 'di ba yung lagi siyang nakatingin sa right side. Kapag lagi daw siyang nagta-tummy time, pag natutulog siya, babaling-baling yung kanyang ulo. Kaya dapat daw lagi siyang bigyan ng tummy time. Pero syempre, sa babysitter nila, hindi naman sila siguro ginaganon kasi marami siyang inalaga ang bata. Kaya pagdating dito sa bahay, I try to give it to them. Patulogin ko nga muna to kasi inaantok. Tinuloy yung tsura. Oh, you see yourself? Huh? Oh, that's what you need. Is that what you need, baby? Palubo ka na naman ng laway. Cowboy is on his way home from the game. And I'm going to start the food. I'm just gonna boiled water for the pasta and heat up the spaghetti sauce. And meron kaming meatballs, so akin lang i-defrost kasi frozen. Tapos ihahalo ko sa spaghetti sauce. Brayden is sleeping on his bouncer and nandun siya sa, make sure I get the right one. Nandun siya sa sala, samantala si Dawson. Here's Dawson. Kasama ni Mami kasi ayaw matulog. Ay, bebe. Kamukha ka daw ni Mami? Ha? Kamukha ka daw ni Mami? Hi. Say hi to them. Hi. I'm always with Mami because I don't want to sleep. Hi. Hi. So yun guys, tapusin ko lang yung pagluluto para pagdating ni Cubs kakain na lang kami. Look, this is smiling. Sammy just texted me like 2 minutes ago.
What about?
She said she can't watch them anymore.
Why?
She said it's too much for her.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, hon, I swear.
Let me see the message.
I will show it to you. Because she said that they were too fuzzy today. Like when I get there, she was like, "Oh my God!" And they're actually crying when I get there. And she said that she just messaged me and said that
Why didn't she tell you that in person?
she's sorry because she has a 5 months old and she has a year old. Oh my God, there's like 10 kids, small kids, like same age in there. And when I get in there, she was like. All the kids are like, hello. I was like, oh my
They're
God.
talking to you.
Yeah, they're all like, I said, the
You
twins
guys are fussy.
were like it when they're a little bit older.
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
I may have to quit my job.
She can't do it until we get somebody?
I don't know, you have to text her.
Yeah, that's bullcrap.
You gotta text her.
I am.
I was just kidding.
No, I'm calling her.
I'm just
I'm
kidding.
calling her. You're filming me.
I'm just kidding you. Here's the spaghetti food ni Calvo and naririnig nyo sa background may kumakanta. Nagdo-duet yung
You're
dalawa.
singing to me.
I know.
You guys sound like a duet going here.
So, yun guys, kakain lang kami and Calvo is about to call the babysitter. I got nervous. So, maraming salamat everyone. I'll see you guys
I'm
tomorrow.
gonna pay her back. That's 2 jokes that she's done to me.
Bye guys! Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye babies. Andito sila guys. Oh. Oh.
They just missed Daddy. That's what they were saying.
Bye-bye.
They said they missed me.
Bye-bye babies.